we have some news coming from Triumph in the offseason, and it's a couple things involving the same person, and that is that Mikkel Haarup will be racing the TF 450X in the 450 division of Pro Motocross in 2026. The other side of this is he has extended his contract with them for 2 further years with the intention to go back to the FIM MXGP Motocross World Championship in 2027. Now, obviously, he raced the 250 for him this year. He ended up 6th overall. Correct me if I'm 6th overall. Yeah, I just looked up. So not exactly a bad year for him coming over here racing on, a new bike, new team, or sort of new team, however you want to say it, and on tracks that he's not used to. So 6 overall, not exactly horrible. And the big part of this is that he'll be here for the full year. He's not going to be racing, at least as the press release says. Will stay in the US for 2026 and step up to race the 450X in the 450 division. Now, I'm assuming it doesn't sound like he's racing Supercross. Correct me if I'm wrong, or if you know something else that I don't know in the comments below. That's always helpful. But at least the way that's worded, he's basically just going to be, in the US, testing, training, riding motocross while everyone else races Supercross and building that bike for the 2026 season. Not exactly the worst thing in the world. I mean, obviously, for him, this is great. I mean, security in this sport is incredible. If you can keep a ride for multiple years, I mean, especially if you're getting 2-year extension, 2027, like you're set. You don't have to worry about, I need to do really well this year. I need to move up or move and continue to do, podiums and wins or whatever. Like, obviously, that's what everybody wants. They want to be winning. They want to be, the top guy. But if you can continue to do what you love and with a constant contract and not worry about this year, I didn't finish, 3rd overall, whatever. Next year, I have to worry about finding a ride or, trying to show or explain my year to them so they give me another contract. So for them, this is good. And obviously for Triumph, it's probably not a bad thing to have a person just on the bike, getting it set and ready for 2026. I'm assuming who knows who else is going to be racing. I can't believe it's just going to be him on the 450, but maybe. Again, correct me if I'm wrong. Comment down below. Tell me. Obviously, they've got 250 riders, but this is, I think the 450 is new for them, or obviously it's new for them. So who knows what that's going to be like. Maybe nobody, just him this year, or maybe they'll find somebody else. Obviously, there's a factory squad is never going to be a hard thing. If they want to find a second rider or third rider and pay them, nobody's ever going to say no. No, I don't want to ride. I don't want to race for money and whatever. But this is exciting. At least we got some news coming from Triumph, and obviously being a newer squad, this is always good. Continuing to expand their program and more factory rides, more rides for people, more money in the sport. It's just good for everybody. But so I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Are you excited for World Supercross, A1, whatever it is? Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.